Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome to this episode. If you are new to this channel, तो subscribe the channel and thumbnail देख के तो पता चल ही गया होगा कि ये वीडियो किस बारे में है. This video is all about the team CSK, the only team which is able to qualify all the playoffs as of now, which they have played, neglecting those two IPL season where they didn't participate or they were not able to participate. And even after being in the bottom of the table, CSK can still qualify. You heard it right, CSK can still qualify. We will know how in this particular video. So how CSK can still qualify even after being in the bottom of the table in the next few days, like if the circumstances is as same as whatever I will be presenting before you in next few minutes. So hope you will watch till the last. Thank you for coming and do share with your friends if you like the video. Thank you. So here you go with the video. Here you go with the presentation. Here's a small analysis how CSK can still qualify for playoffs. So here's the present scenario of the points table where Mumbai Indians and Delhi Capitals are leading the points table and CSK in the bottom of the points table. So there is a particular analysis according to which Chennai Super King can still qualify in the playoffs. So here's the one with on 24th we have two matches, Kolkata Knight Rider versus Delhi Capital, and there is another match between Punjab and Sunrisers Hyderabad. So in this particular matches, Delhi Capital and Sunrisers Hyderabad respectively should win the matches. On 25th and 26th, there are total 3 matches: Sunday, Super Sunday, and then a Monday match. So obviously, from now onward, Chennai Super King need to win all their matches. So Royal Challenger Bangalore should lose the match against Chennai Super King on 25th, and Mumbai Indians should beat Rajasthan Royal at any cost in the 45th match of Sunday. And on 26th, Punjab should beat Kolkata Knight Rider, which will be better for Chennai Super King. Actually, that's the only hope we can say. So 27th, there is one particular match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Delhi Capital. So Delhi Capital should keep their winning momentum for the sake of CSK. And on 28th, there is a match between Mumbai Indians and Royal Challenger Bangalore. So that match really doesn't matter for Chennai Super King. Whoever wins won't affect Chennai Super King. And on 29th, there's a match between Chennai Super King and Kolkata Knight Riders. So obviously, Chennai Super King need to win that particular match. On 30th, there's a match between Kings 11 Punjab and Rajasthan Royal. So Kings 11 Punjab should lose that match against Rajasthan Royal. And on 31st, there is another neutral match, Delhi Capital versus Mumbai Indians. That really won't affect the standing of Chennai Super King or any other teams. And on 31st, there is another match between Royal Challenger Bangalore and Sunrisers Hyderabad. So that Sunrisers Hyderabad cannot rise. Royal Challenger Bangalore need to win it for CSK. So on 1 November, there are 2 matches. Those 2 matches will be crucial. After winning the match against Punjab, Chennai Super King will be looking forward for the 54th match, which will be one of the crucial matches for Chennai Super King, where obviously Chennai Super King won't be participating. But the thing is that particular match will be affecting Chennai Super King's standings very much. So on the 54th match, it is between Kolkata Knight Rider and Rajasthan Royal. It won't really affect if all the matches as of now, which I said, goes on like that. But on that particular day, Kolkata Knight Rider or Rajasthan Royal wins, any team can win. That really won't affect. But the thing is that match should be close enough so that either of the two teams don't get a better run rate, because that will make a tie between Chennai Super King and any of these two teams, and then it will be something like which will come into net run rate. And on 2nd November, there is a match between Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bangalore, which is a neutral match again, won't really affect Chennai Super Kings standing. And on 3rd November, the final sixth match, the league match, will be between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Mumbai Indians. So which Mumbai Indians need to win. And finally, we will be having a points table like this, where Mumbai Indians with around 9 to 11 wins will be at 18 to 22 points, and Delhi Capital around in the same league. Either of the two teams will end in the first two position. Then Royal Challengers Bangalore somewhere between 16 to 20 points, and we will have Chennai Super King at 4th with a better run rate than Kolkata Knight Riders and Rajasthan Royals, which have a probability to end their points table with 10 to 12. If 12, which will be if 12 points, either of the team, Kolkata or Rajasthan Royals, that will come us to see the net run rate. So which will be lower than Chennai Super King. So automatically Chennai Super King will qualify. If you see the present net run rate, you can see that Chennai Super King will, if wins all the rest of the matches, the net run rate will be better than Kolkata Knight Rider and Rajasthan Royal. Kolkata Knight Rider, after a huge loss with RCB, already their net run rate is very low, and same for Rajasthan Royal. There are so many matches where they have lost with a huge margin, and thus these four teams, Mumbai Indians, Delhi Capital, Royal Challengers Bangalore and Chennai Super King, will qualify for the playoffs. So this is how Chennai Super King has still the probability to qualify for the playoffs. Beside all this, Chennai Super King also need your prayers. This has been not a good year for Chennai Super King. So do remember Chennai Super King in your prayers, and obviously if these circumstances and the permutation goes on together, then probably Chennai Super King can still qualify. So if you like the video, do subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and let's see what happens in the next few matches. It will be clear if the circumstances and the permutation doesn't collide in the next few days only. So hope things go good for Chennai Super King,